Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY photo shoot. So last year I did a DIY photo shoot for Christmas, Halloween, and my birthday. So I'm just going to continue that tradition. So this year I'm going to be 24. So of course the theme is going to be 24 karat gold. So I'm going to put some pictures of my inspo up here. I've seen a few, but y'all know I gotta put my own spin on it. So in my vision, I had my hair up in some soft locks, and I have some butterfly clips to go in my bun, in addition to the gold paint on my neck and the gold flecks to go on top. Main attraction of this picture is really gonna be my face and my hair. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot when it comes to the background. I have a white background, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna set up this backdrop and really just spend more time on my makeup. I did my soft locks last night. It took me 10 hours to do it. Today I went and I got my lashes done. Go ahead and get into this video. So y'all know the deal, y'all know the drill. Whenever I am using any type of backdrop, I always use the same backdrop, and that is the same backdrop stand, and that is from Amazon. The brand is Emart, and it's a pretty user-friendly backdrop. I think it goes up to like 6 feet. And then I use my regular schmegular white backdrop like I always do, because as mentioned in the intro, this is a headshot only, so I'm not gonna do too much with the background. Now I'm creating my little pleats. I don't know what to call it, but pleats. So doing this, make sure that the background isn't flat. It kind of creates some depth, some dimension. So I decided to kind of like not wrap up my background, but kind of like put it away from this area right here. I know that whenever I do my photo shoots, I take up the entire room, and this side is already filled up. Now this over here is going to be filled up, so I'm trying to make just a little bit of space. So since my inspiration, please excuse my mirror. So since my inspiration for my pictures is more of a neck up, shoulder up picture, I have a bandeau on, and I also have on shorts because I'm a messy person, and like with this gold paint, I'm gonna put down towels. I'm trying not to get anything on anything because my mama be tripping. Everything is giving me, like, I could really just like take my pictures like this and call it a day, but I'm not like that. I'm being extra because it's my birthday. And I had to come to terms with the fact that this bun is not gonna be perfect, and that's okay. I ordered these off of Amazon. I tried to find some smaller ones, but I couldn't find any. A little gripe, okay? I don't like how the clip is on this side and not this side, because I'm a righty, not a lefty. But I wonder if these will look better if I bend them a little bit. Let me get my mirror. Whenever I have a vision, sometimes what comes out is even better than my vision. So we're gonna work with it. I have some small ones, I have some large ones, like small, large, medium. They all come in different sizes, which I'm not even mad at. I'm just gonna stick them in there like this. I wish I could like hide the clips in some way, but I mean, if I can't hide them, then it's not a problem. This is gonna be fire, because I've seen this idea, but I've only seen it on the palm colored girls. I've seen a few black girls do it, but like, I feel like I would bring something different to the table with like my soft locks and putting butterfly clips in my hair. Ooh, this is cute. I think I have enough in my bun, and I have some left. So I think I might put some like around here. Put some maybe like right here in this area. Then it will look cute. I really wish that these clips were smaller, because another gripe. I'm only supposed to see the butterflies. I'm not supposed to see this obnoxiously large clip, but we're gonna work with it anyway. We might be getting somewhere. The next thing that I'm gonna do is my makeup. Do my makeup first, and then I'm gonna do the gold paint. First of all, I have to buy some new makeup because y'all know that I don't wear makeup like that anymore. I stopped wearing makeup even more when I started getting my lashes done, because I was like, I'm already fine. What I need some makeup for? And like, I know that makeup is for enhancements, but let's keep it real. I work a full-time job and I have absolutely no reason to put on makeup whatsoever. I ordered a black, I think this is like an eyeshadow, like a single eyeshadow. I needed black because I wanted black. Do I really want to put on some black eyeshadow? But whatever. It has a good color payoff for a $6 Amazon eyeshadow. Should I get closer? You like my face? It turn you on? I wear makeup like once a year. And this is probably my one time this year. If you don't use it, you're going to lose it. I like to check in and use my makeup skills like once a year to make sure I can still do it. My eyebrows, I'm using e.l.f. lock-on liner in the shade Espresso. I like my brows to be darker than dark because my hair is dark. I need something to spray in this, it's dry. I know nobody does their brows like blocky like this, but there's so many makeup trends out there, but like, I'm the wig lady now. Like, I don't be worried about no makeup trends because like, at this point, I can't keep up. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. To prime my lids, I'm using this powder right here. The same powder that I'm gonna use on my face to set that up. I'm gonna pack it on my lid and then I'm just gonna blend it out. Take this up some because my lashes are so darn big, which I'm not mad at. Can't even tell I got on eyeshadow. Oh yes, you can. This is the only color I'm using because this is the only color that I care to blend out. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. I'm using L'Oreal True Match in the shade W8. I'm not wearing a primer because after I finish this, I'm gonna take it off. If this don't match, then I'm just gonna take it off. It don't look bad. Looking a little ghosty. Not contour, I don't highlight, I don't do none of that. Cause I don't have it in me anymore. Off of Amazon. This is metallic powder and mixing liquid. I'm gonna do a little patch test for eczema, and I don't have time for this stuff to be breaking me out. I don't think I look as ghosty as I think I do. So I'm gonna give this like 5 minutes so I can see like if my skin is gonna start breaking out. This is where my in the moment creativity takes over. Like, this stuff is not moving. I am just freestyling it. I don't want it to make it look like I got a beard. I'm gonna take this brush and then I'm gonna like paint it and then see where it takes me. Ooh. I'm gonna put some like right here too. This more like on my shoulders, like my neck and shoulders. I think I should put some on my chin. Yep. I give myself a vision and then I kind of like let my creativity take over from there. Just cause like, you never know. Like, I give myself the creative parameters. Like, I might put the gold flecks like maybe like right here. I wonder if these will stick. I wonder if these will stick, like if I don't put anything, like if I don't put any adhesive on it. Like, use some lip gloss. I'm gonna take this lip gloss because this is like sticky. Somebody sent me this lip gloss. The lip gloss has a use now. So So I'm gonna put these gold flakes like right here, like in this region, just to like balance it out. I love it. I need to add like one more thing to it, but I feel like if I keep adding one more thing to it, then I'm gonna be over here all day. I also added one more layer, and I think that adding one more layer helped, because at first like the gold was looking real good, like it started to like fade. I think it's because it was drying down some, but I want to put some on my shoulders too. Put this. I'm literally my own team. I am makeup, I am hair, I'm everything. So now that I finished my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and roll out that background stand and kind of like move everything that I've used. And for this shoot, I wanted it to be kind of like a moody. I wanted a whole lot of shadows on my face, so I only plugged up one LED light, and I also turned off all the lights in my room, if you couldn't tell. So at this point, y'all already know what I do. I set up Lens Buddy, and I sit down and like initially see what all I can change. And now I'm to the shooting part. So I like to turn on some music and kind of just vibe out. Like, taking pictures is fun. I'm just like so happy with the result of how these pictures turned out, because like she's giving, everything is giving, especially because I have not taken any pictures for real in like months. So I was so happy about that. Now I am choosing my pictures. I kind of put some of that gold stuff on my lips, but you can tell that I really didn't like it. But I'm choosing my pictures, and a whole lot of them were looking the same. I was trying to choose some that didn't really look the same, but who cares? They were all fire AF. And after this, I'm gonna use my regular schmegular iPhone/iPad editor and kind of play around with the brilliance, the shadows, the contrast, things of that nature. I turned everything kind of like down some. I might have upped the sharpness just a tad, but I was mainly playing with the shadows because, like I said, I wanted a lot of shadows on my face. So using the editor really helped to accentuate that. So here's what my pictures look like. I am just absolutely blown away. Like, I already knew that these pictures were gonna slap, but like, I ain't gonna lie, like, I really snapped on these. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. With that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.